Hello everyone, this is Vaishali Kikan from Gill Learning Center, and today we are going to start our discussion on the equilibrium concepts. So first question that we are going to discuss is consider the reaction H2 gas plus CO2 gas is in equilibrium with H2O gas plus CO gas. In this reaction 2 mole of H2 and 2 mole of CO2 are put into a container of volume 10 decimeter cube together with 1 mole H2O and 1 mole CO. They are allowed to come to equilibrium at 1200 Kelvin given that the value of equilibrium constant at 1200 Kelvin is 2.10. Work out the composition of equilibrium mixture in the terms of concentrations. So we have to find out the equilibrium concentrations. So now we have the following reaction H2 gas plus CO2 gas is in equilibrium with H2O gas plus CO gas. We all know the initial number of moles. So the initial number of moles for H2 is 2, for CO2 it is 2, for H2 it is 1 and for CO also it is 1. And now we can see the coefficient over here is 1, here also it is 1, here also it is 1 and here also it is 1. So if I have X mole of H2, it will be reacting with the H mole of CO2 to form X mole of H2O and X mole of CO. So at the equilibrium, if X mole have reacted to form X moles of H2O and CO respectively, so at the equilibrium the number of moles would be 2 minus X, 2 minus X, 1 plus X and 1 plus X. Right? Why minus? Because the reactants are getting consumed, the products are formed, so here we have plus. What is the equilibrium concentration? These are the equilibrium moles. Equilibrium concentration will be equilibrium moles divided by the volume. Volume is given, it is 10 decimeter cube. It is given here, right? So now here you can see if I divide it 2 minus X by 10, 2 minus X by 10, 1 plus X by 10, 1 plus X by 10. So this is how we will be getting the equilibrium concentration. And now we know the relation of equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant would be the equilibrium concentration of products. What are the products? H2O and CO. The equilibrium concentration of H2O and CO divided by the equilibrium concentration of H2 and CO2. Powers are the coefficients, so all of the coefficients are 1, so all of the powers are 1. So now we all know these concentrations, so 1 plus X by 10, 1 plus X by 10 divided by 2 minus X by 10, 2 minus X by 10. We can cancel out 10 and 10 and we will be having 1 plus X square upon 2 minus X square. So what was the equilibrium constant? It was given 2.1, so we can take its under root and we will be having 1 plus X upon 2 minus X. Under root of 2.1 is 1.45, which will be equal to 1 plus X upon 2 minus X, and now this is the linear equation which we can solve. So 2.9 minus 1.45x is equal to 1 plus X. Right, what I have done, I have taken 2 minus X this side and multiplied with 1.45. So 2.45x will be equal to 1.9 and X will be equal to 0.776 moles. Now I can find out the equilibrium concentration. We have to put X over here and we can get the equilibrium concentration. So when you put X over here, we have 2 minus 0.776 by 10, 2 minus 0.776 by 10 for H2O and CO2 respectively, then 1 plus 0.776 by 10 and 1 plus 0.776 by 10 for H2O and CO respectively. So when you solve it, we will be getting the concentration of H2 and CO2 to be 0.122 and for H2O and CO it is equal to 0.178. So now coming to the relationship between the equilibrium constant, we know what is the equilibrium constant, that is Kc, and the Gibbs free energy. So what is the relation? The relation is delta G is equal to minus RT ln K. What is R? R is the gas constant and T is the temperature in Kelvin. So now here we can see the Gibbs energy is related to negative of the RT ln K. So now the position of equilibrium corresponds to the mixture of reactants and products that produces the minimum value of the Gibbs free energy. So Gibbs free energy should be minimum and maximum value of entropy. So entropy value should be maximum, Gibbs free energy should be minimum. So when the K is less than 1, so at that time ln K would be negative, log of K would be negative when K is less than 1, and I can say delta G is positive. And when K is greater than 1, ln K is positive and delta G is negative. So this is how we can define the relation between the K, the equilibrium constant and the Gibbs free energy. Considering the reaction H2 plus I2 is in equilibrium with 2HI gaseous, given that the value of delta G at 298 Kelvin for this reaction is 1.3 kilojoule per mole, calculate the value of equilibrium constant. So now this is a question based upon this concept, the relationship between K and delta G. So delta G, we all know the relation, minus RT ln K, and R is here presented in joule per Kelvin per mole. and the temperature is in Kelvin, right? So now here I can say delta G should be represented in joule per mole. But the delta G is given in kilojoule per mole, so we first have to convert it into the joule per mole. So delta G can be written as 1300 joule per mole. Now 1300, we are going to put the value of delta G. We know the value of R is 8.31, so 1300 will be equal to minus R, that is 8.31. Temperature is given, that is 298 Kelvin. We can represent T and multiply it with ln K. So now we have to solve this equation. Ln K will be equal to minus 1300 upon 8.31 into 298. So when I solve it, I will be getting 0.525, and here if I need to solve it, I will be taking exponential both sides. K will be equal to exponential power minus 0.525, which is equal to 0.59. So you can see the value of K is less than 1. So position of equilibrium lies closer to the reactants than the product. So when the K is less than 1, position of equilibrium is closer to reactants. When the K value is greater than 1, so at that time the position of equilibrium will be away from the reactants. It would be closer to the products. So now here we can assume this in the terms of delta G as well. So delta G, when it is positive, the position of the equilibrium lies closer to the reactants, and when the delta G is negative, that time the position of equilibrium will be lying closer to the products. So I hope you understood all of the things that I have discussed. Thank you so much.